This is Matt again with Gator Metal Roofing. I'm here at the Cowan residence in Newport, North Carolina.
How you doing?
Well, how was your experience with Gator Metal Roofing?
It was fun. Excellent.
What do you think, Miss Desiree?
It was awesome. Did a great job. Very neat, very efficient, and they did an awesome job.
Do you love the color of your roof?
Yes, sir.
And what color did you go with?
Green.
That is our Gator Forest Green with its lifetime warranty. We guarantee that paint won't fade for 50 years, along with their plumbing vents and everything else. Is there anything Gator can do better, Mr. and Mrs. Cowan?
Everything's great. I'm very satisfied. The work they done is awesome. Cleanup is awesome. And they're real intelligent, real nice people. They learn to work. I really enjoy talking to them.
Well, thank you so much.
Timely manner.
In a timely manner. How long did it take them to do the job?
1 day.